What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over pump and dumps, and we're going to go over the top 3 pump and dumps. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right on into this. Do me one quick favor. You know what it is. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel and continue putting content out that helps you. And it also helps me because, believe it or not, I rewatch my videos and learn from them too. IMRN. This was the first pump and dump of this week. Okay, this was nasty. Like, this was just horrible. We went over this on a trade recap, and here it is. This is a disgusting pump and dump. Look at this. It had news, but no action in pre-market. Opened off, sold off a little bit. Then, out of nowhere, volume came in. The stock went on, made a huge push, and then retraced the entire move. Like, entire move. By the end of the day, the stock was right around $3.50, $3.60. It started off its day. The opening price was $3.50. Horrible, ugly chart. This is a pump and dump. This is what happens when a stock pumper sends out a blast email to all his followers, tells him he's going to buy something and where he's going to buy it. You know, he probably bought it beforehand. All his followers buy it and then push it. Or worse yet, it's a chat room and the leader is like, oh, okay, I'm going to buy this at the break of 350, 370. And then all his followers buy it and they just goes on and just, you know, makes a huge move. Obviously, you need a low float for that, meaning very small amounts of share in the open market so that he and his followers can push it. It'll hit scanners. More people will jump on it, chasing it when it hits the scanners and push it up even higher. Eventually, the stock gets the rug pulled off out from under it and it crashes. And the leader who started this mess here takes his profit up here or on this red candle when he sees the pump is over. So just hit up, you know, Twitter, social media, stock tweets, and you'll find whoever pumped this. Just type in the ticker symbol and you'll be able to locate the pumper. Then today's Friday, by the way, the 14th of June, not May, and we had AMPE. It also had news, not much action. As you can see, the closing price yesterday, the stock basically traded sideways all throughout pre-market. And this morning opened up, went sideways, then started to slowly trickle up. And then we have the standard pump and dump when the stock goes. Look, a stock can make a huge move, okay? The shorts can get trapped and the stock, you know, they cover and longs climb in and the stock will push. But if it's not a pump and dump, if it's an authentic move because the market said so, you're not going to retrace the entire move instantly. You might retrace the entire move by the end of the day, possibly. You might retrace the move by the next day or the following week or a month later. But you're not going to retrace the entire move instantly. This is an instant up and an instant down. This is, by definition, a pump and dump. Okay? I don't know who started this pump and dump. I'm going to probably put out a tweet, ask, and maybe somebody will tag the pumper on it. But this is a pump and dump. Plain and simple. Somebody alerted something around this area. It started to push. They put on an alert taking profit. And what happens? The chasers start to stop out. The profit takers start marketing order out. And it's just the dump. Okay? AMPE, other pump of the week. BNGO. Look at that. Can you believe this chart? Because I can't. What is this? Look at this chart. This is disgusting. This is a mess, guys. Look at this. There's nothing, no volume anywhere, and out of nowhere, we get out of nowhere. I don't know if this had news or not. Out of nowhere, we get this quick pop, like $1 pop, and then instant retrace all the way back down to exactly where the stock started at. Pump and dump. That's what a pump and dump is. Look at this red volume. Like, it's just nasty. Like, these people have no I don't know, they lack humanity. Like, dude, you're putting an alert out, your followers that trust you are buying this crap with you, and then you're just dumping it on them. Some of them are making money and a whole lot of them are blowing up their little accounts with like a $1,500 or whatever they have to start with trading with, and they're just blowing it up because, you know, they think, oh, this guy, he's very confident in this. I'm going to buy a lot of shares, and they put their entire account in this only to get crapped on by you lowlives. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Who pumped and dumped this one? Drop it in the comment section below and let me know. Guys, don't get caught up in these pump and dumps. Learn to trade. If you would learn to trade, if you knew to trade, how to trade, if you had some sort of strategy, you would never or very rarely get caught up in a mess like this, because you would have seen this happen, halt. You would have seen the resumption. You might have identified a potential place to get long in front of with very low risk to the downside, meaning you might have risked, whatever, 20 cents, 10 cents to the downside with a big upside potential, maybe. Or better yet, you would have not even gotten in on the resume of the halt and waited for the pullback. And when you had this crap going on, you knew this was not a tradable stock. There was no pattern. There was no healthy pullback. There was nothing to get long in front of safely when you learn to trade. When you don't learn to trade and you think you're just going to become a millionaire instantly by trading penny stocks, and you join a chat room and you see your chat room leader make, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, maybe $20,000 on one ticker in one day, this is the crap you get usually. Don't fall for these charlatans. This is horrible. Just horrible, horrible, horrible. But that's it, guys. These were the top 3 pump and dumps of the week. I knew today was going to be a pump and dump type day, so I did not trade. Yesterday, I knew we would have more pump and dumps. I did not trade. I know we had a pump and dump yesterday. I tweeted about it. I'm not sure which one it was anymore, but I tweeted a screenshot of it. My Twitter is in the description section below. Just click that link and follow me on Twitter. I post up my watch lists, and I also post up, other information as well as upcoming videos and news, etc. So I did post yesterday's pump and dump, whatever it was, on there. I posted a screenshot. Don't know who was responsible for that one. This is just horrible, guys. I hope you're not getting caught up in these pump and dumps. Stay disciplined. Keep to your strategies. I know that when I am disciplined and I stick to my discipline, I am a stock trader. When I do not stick to my discipline, my strategies, when I do not follow my rules, when I do not wait, yep, I still have the thing on my keyboard for my setups, I am not a stock trader. I am nothing more than a guy with a trading account with some money in it. But when I stick to my rules and when I stick to my discipline, I am a stock trader. What are you? Let me know if you're sticking to your rules. Drop it in the comment section below. What was your best trade of the week? And I'll catch you on the next.